What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. Happy New Year to everybody. So I hope everybody made it through the holidays safely. So today's project is we're in Megatron. We're going to fix our camera issue, which happens to be this mirror right here, which we replaced. And this is the issue we're having. When you hit that, as you can see, you can only see one side of the vehicle. So that's the right side. This is the left side. And also when you put it in reverse, you have this dead spot over here, where over here you don't. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that, and it's my fault. I broke the harness or the clip that's on the harness that goes to that mirror. So in order to fix it, I gotta replace the whole harness. You just can't replace the clip. So without further ado, let's get into it. I apologize if I sound a little like hoarse or whatever. I'm trying to get over a cold and it's a pain in my butt. So it is what it is. So I brought the truck outside so it's a little more light. So basically we gotta get this door off. In order to get this door off, you have these little T15 Torx right here. There's like 6 of them all the way around the door. You have a Phillips screw behind this panel right here. And then basically what you do is you just push the door up and it'll pop off. And then this piece right here just clips in. You just pop this off. So it should be fairly easy. So let's get into it. All right, like I say, once you pull it up, it should slide up. It should slide up and then it'll pop out. And basically on the back side is you have these little clips right here that slide in this piece right here. So it hooks in just like this. And that's what holds your door on. And there's 2 on both sides. Once you pull that loose, then there'll be several harnesses that you have to unhook, like this one right here. There's this one right here, and that'll unhook your speaker. Then there's one for your actual switches that you unhook here. Going out for your switches. Then you'll have one more that'll unhook right here, and then your whole door panel will come off. Just like that. Then you take your door panel, set it to the side so you don't get it messed up. So we'll set it back there. So this is the harness that we're going to replace. So the good thing is you need to remember where all these connectors go. And we're going to take this piece out right here. It's going to go through the door right here. There should be a couple of bolts that hold it in, or 10 millimeter or 15 Torx here. This will pop loose, and we'll just use our pry tool to pop the harness loose. And then you have your plugs here. So blue, white, it's like a purple, white, black, green here. And then there should be this piece right here that goes inside for your actual door actuator, and then this piece here, and then I think maybe this down here. Once I get it loose, I'll let you know, and we'll compare the old one to the new one. This is the piece that comes in from your mirror for the camera. This is the piece that I broke. There's a clip that goes on here. So in order to fix this, I gotta replace this whole harness. Yeah, fun times. So just be careful when you're doing stuff like this, because it may cost you in the end. All right, let me figure out how to get this door harness. Actually, let me show you the new door harness. Here's the new door harness with the part number. There's the part number. Right there. And this is the piece we're actually after. This is what it's supposed to look like right here. So we'll start disassembling this one. So you should be able to pull this off right here. And this will give you access to this clip in here.
Two hours later.
All right, YouTube, I got the new harness in. When putting it in, I did realize that the new harness did not have the wires for the actual speakers. So to mitigate that, what I've done is I've just pulled the wire out for the mirror itself. It's a single wire, and basically it runs through your harness and it comes out that hole right there, and it just clips in. So I took the one out of the new wire harness and just fed it through the old wiring harness. That way I didn't have to worry about my speakers not working. So again, make sure you take a picture of this in case you have to unplug it and plug some stuff back in. It should only go one way, but just to be on the safe side, this right here, to get that out, it has these little push clips right here on all four sides, and then I'll let it slide out, and then there's two connectors here, and then there's that middle connector that goes right there. So you have a white, so it'll sit like this. You have your brown on your closest to you, white farthest away, and then your mirror will be in the middle. So I did all that just to get that one wire, but it works. So what I'll do now is I'll put this door back together, put my two T15 Torx back in here, and we should be good to go. One thing to remember when you're putting this harness in, when it's inside the door jamb, it does say up, so that goes on the up side. So just make sure you put it back in the right way. So overall, well, not too bad. Took a little longer because I had to pull the wire all the way out through the harness. So we really have a new harness minus the camera. So there's the part number on the harness. Stupid thing to focus. Anyway, there's a part number. So overall, not too bad. Just to get this one wire out. And we got our door back together. So now let's make sure that our surround camera works. So I'm gonna put it in reverse. As you remember, the one on the left side was out.
GPS connected.
So The left side was out. As you can see, it's actually working because here it is, and that's the basketball goal, which is right there. All right, YouTube. Sorry about the buzzing. As you can see, our surround sound is back, or surround viewing is back. I don't know how I say surround sound. But this piece over here was black because there was no camera there, and now there's a camera there, so I think we're good to go. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll be on to the next project.